Hi everyone. I am growing these container-friendly plants in spring from the list that I published a month ago. This is a quick update on it. These plants are perfect for balconies, decks, and in small gardens. I started all of these in last week of February. You can still start these and they will do fine. The first one is this lush growth of spring onions. I grow them from the small onion bulbs that you can find easily in garden centers right now. I would harvest the big outer leaves and let the inner ones grow. Someone asked about these containers. These are deck containers. They have a groove. Let me pick this one and put it on the deck railing. This groove will fit on the railing, and this way you get to use the extra space at the top of the railing. I will link these containers in description. Next is peas. I have few growing in 2 containers, but not all the seeds germinated. I have provided support for these vines to grow. This is Lincoln Homesteader variety. I also have another one, Sugar Magnolia. I'm so proud of it because these are all grown from home saved seeds. I will transplant these out of this container and into other places in my garden. Peas do great in containers. I have a full video about it. I will link it in the description. Next is lettuce and radish. I accidentally sowed these on top of each other, but I plan to transplant some of this lettuce out into other containers. I won't transplant radishes though. They probably won't make it if I do. So radishes will keep growing here. If you have ever transplanted radishes, let me know in the comments how it went. Again, both of these are grown from home saved seeds. Next, in these containers, I have chard in one. These will be transplanted into other containers and into rest of my garden. Chard doesn't bolt easily, so same plant can keep producing for long. In fact, these plants from last spring survived the winter and are coming up again. My kale seeds were old, so they didn't germinate very well. But look at the mustard, so lush. This purple mustard has a spicy bite to it. I just love it. It grows very well in ground and in containers. Here we have kohlrabi to be transplanted into ground. It looks a bit sad because the temperature fell to 24 degrees Fahrenheit a few days ago and I failed to protect it. But it is recovering now. I have sown beetroots in this very big container. I have never paid too much effort to beetroot before. But this year I want to change it. So we will see how it goes. I have made a list of 17 easy to grow vegetables in spring, summer and fall. You should check it out next, as it is very beginner friendly and a ready to use list for you. I would truly appreciate if you can support this channel by liking this video, sharing it, commenting on it and subscribing. Also show your support by spending just $1.49 on this garden planner that I have designed. You can use it digitally or print it out. Thank you so much for your support and for listening to me.